Hi, my name is Yannick Wolteche and I'm tax lawyer at Célès law firm, and I'm here to provide you with some practical information about Belgian tax system for individuals. As a foreigner living or working here in Belgium, you are liable to Belgian personal income tax, and you are required to file an annual tax return. How much tax do you have to pay depends on whether you are considered as a resident or as a non-resident for Belgian tax purposes. While a resident is liable to personal income tax on his worldwide income, a non-resident is liable to personal income tax on his Belgian-sourced income only. A resident of Belgium is defined as a person who has her main residence in Belgium. Even if a person has kept her home abroad, she will still be considered as resident of Belgium if the place from where she manages her personal wealth or her business is located in Belgium. Also, persons registered to a Belgian municipality or whose families live in Belgium are presumed to be resident of Belgium. Please note that under certain conditions, foreign executives temporarily assigned to Belgium within an international group of companies may qualify for a special tax regime. Personal income tax is calculated by applying a progressive tax rates on the taxable income. Resident tax rates are also applying for non-residents. And in Belgium, we have 4 categories of income: professional income, income from real estate, movable income such as interest or dividends, and miscellaneous income. Capital gains on shares and on real estate are in principle tax exempted in Belgium. Taxpayer can also deduct compulsory social security contributions and lump sum business expenses from their taxable basis, calculated as a percentage of earned income. They can also choose to deduct actual business expenses instead of lump sum amounts. You have also to know that there is a range of tax credits available, for example, for charitable donation, interest and capital payments in relation to a mortgage, life insurance plan contributions, or childcare expenses. Resident tax returns are due before 13th of June, and non-resident tax returns are due before 13th of September. Later date may apply when filing electronically, and the Belgian tax authority will determine the exact dates each year. Those dates can vary a bit. Besides personal income tax, Belgian VAT is payable on most goods and services. The standard rate is 21%, but there are lower rates for certain categories of goods and services. Finally, property tax, inheritance tax, gift tax, and registration duties should also be taken into account when moving to Belgium. Property tax is an annual tax on property which is calculated on the presumed annual rental value attributed to the property by the local tax authorities. Inheritance tax is payable on the total value of the estate of a person settled in Belgium or on any property owned in Belgium if the person is not settled in Belgium. And registration duties are due on some transaction, such as buying a property or making a gift. That's it for today, and you can of course contact me if you have any question about taxes in Belgium.